July 17, 1981. A sunset tea dance in Kansas City. 1,600 people are laughing and dancing in the Hyatt Regency atrium, unaware they are standing on a death trap. Suspended 40 feet above the lobby are two massive steel skywalks. They look elegant and modern, but they are held up by a design flaw. The original blueprints called for single, continuous steel rods to run from the ceiling all the way to the second floor, a simple one-piece support system. But the manufacturing team had a problem. Threading a 40-foot rod was too difficult and expensive. So they made a minor suggestion. Why not use two shorter rods instead? It looked identical on the surface, but the physics had changed completely. By splitting the rod, the entire weight of the second floor was now hanging directly off the fourth floor beam. The load didn't just move, it doubled. This critical change was never recalculated. No engineer checked the math. The deadly revision was approved over a single phone call, and construction moved forward. As the band played Satin Doll and the crowd began to sway, the connection points on the fourth floor hit their breaking point. The steel began to groan, hidden behind the drywall and the music. At 7:05 p.m., the system failed. The nuts ripped through the steel beams like paper. The fourth floor walkway pancaked onto the second floor, and both crashed into the crowded lobby below. 114 people lost their lives in seconds. It remains the deadliest structural collapse in U.S. history, all because of a simple change that no one bothered to double-check. The dust in the atrium eventually settled, but the legal storm was just beginning. In the investigation that followed, the terrifying truth came to light. The walkway as built was barely able to support its own weight, let alone the people on it. The Missouri Board of Architects and Engineers didn't hold back. They found the lead engineers guilty of gross negligence and misconduct. Both men lost their professional licenses, and their firm, once a leader in the industry, was erased from existence. But the real legacy of the Hyatt Regency is written in the law. This disaster forced a global rewrite of building codes. It changed how design changes are approved, ensuring that no minor suggestion ever goes unchecked again. Today, every engineering student in America studies the Hyatt collapse. It stands as a grim reminder that our duty isn't to the timeline or the budget, it's to the people standing on the steel. In engineering, there is no such thing as a small detail, because when the math fails, the system follows. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. System fail.